welcome to the Country Castle. Today I am starting my video by sharing with you what I do the evening before I feed my family. It's just a little bit of prep work and it goes a long way in just helping me be ready and organized. I am going to put together 2 different sourdough recipes so that we have something yummy to eat and I am all ready to feed my family the next day. Every morning starts the same at the Country Castle. I let my children sleep in as long as they need to, and this gives me an opportunity to just get my workout in and kind of get things ready for the day. I have shared how much working out has helped me in my health and my overall energy for my family. I have also been working on a government campaign for my local city, and I'm so excited to be a part of something that is full of change and excitement. And I always encourage everybody, know what's going on in your town, know who is in charge, and if you want to affect change, you absolutely can by just getting involved. And this is something that we are very passionate about. I am going to get my workout done and then we will start getting breakfast ready for the kids. They usually start waking up one by one and they just start to trickle down the stairs. So this is something that we do every single day. They are used to me getting my workout done and then breakfast, and we just start getting our day going. To share with you what it looks like feeding a family of 10. I have 8 kids, and so including me and my husband, we are feeding 10 people every single day. It is a lot of food, a lot of preparation, and I wanted to share with you kind of what that looks like in just the daily rhythm, the daily cooking, and kind of the things that we eat. I definitely love to feed my kids with really good, solid nutrition, high protein, whether that's oatmeal, eggs, bacon, sourdough rolls, making them sandwiches. I find that it holds them longer. It's just good for their bodies. It's good for their immune system. So these are things that I do just every day. I wanted to bring you along on what that looks like for us, and I hope that you enjoy. I am going to get going on making our English muffins. This is a really good thing for breakfast, paired with some scrambled eggs, or making a breakfast sandwich. Anything with the English muffins is delicious. It's a favorite in our home. It is simple to make. This is the dough that I made yesterday evening, and it is ready to roll out, cut out. And the thing I love about English muffins is you almost can bake them immediately. They just need to rise for a little bit until they puff up, and then they are ready to bake, and you bake them on your stove. So it's something that I love to do because it makes us have a nice, warm, fresh breakfast ready to go. Next, I am making lunch. This is the dough that I made the day before. It is sourdough rolls. I have the recipe on my blog, countrycastleliving.com. This is a great, easy recipe. I love being able to make my dough the day before because then it gives me a plan for what I'm going to feed my family for the next day. So there's always just a little bit of prep, but I promise you it goes a long way and will definitely help you out if you're just a little bit more ahead of the game. Today, I'm going to make a chicken salad to go inside these rolls, and they will be like a chicken salad sandwich for my family. Something that is so delicious, easy to throw together. And of course, as always, I have taste testers around, always trying out the ingredients and wanting to help. And it is such a great way to connect with your kids when you are in the kitchen cooking or baking, because I promise you they always come in, they want to taste things and they want to help. It is a great way to spend time with your children, but also feel like you are able to do things like feed them good food. are about to get a summer storm, and I am so excited about it because we get so dry and hot here. So being able to get some rain is like a real treat. We hosted our very first gathering at the 4th of July in our backyard with our patio, and you have seen how much we worked on this outdoor space so that we could have a place for our family to gather for dinners, that we could host friends, and just have a extra living space in addition to our home. And this has been our favorite thing. But when we hosted everybody at the 4th of July, we realized very quickly, as much as we expanded our space, we were completely out of seating for as many people who came. Got our wheels turning on how we could create more outdoor sitting areas in this space, and I was so excited because I am working with Bona again, and they have provided more Adirondack chairs. These are everybody's favorite chair to sit in. They are so comfortable. I love that they are comfortable for any size of person, and that is something that I really want to be mindful of, is that some people are larger or there's little kids. The fact that they can climb up on these chairs easily and they hold you so well and they're so comfortable. These have been our #1 favorite chair that we own for our outdoor space. We hope to add even more sitting areas throughout our whole space. And now it's gonna rain, so I'm gonna show you those, and if you use my discount code, you will get 15% off, and they always have additional sales running, so check that link out. I have linked it below in my description. My favorite part about having these chairs over here in my yard is that it gives me a new view. I get to look up at my house and out at my garden. Absolutely so excited to have a new place to sit in my backyard so I can admire all of our hard work and see the beauty that is growing all around us. Next, I'm going to make my children a smoothie. This is kind of that snacking time between dinner and lunch where everyone gets a little bit hungry, but it's not quite dinner yet. So we love to have a smoothie. I usually do some wild blueberries and other berry blends, strawberries, things like that. I will add a couple bananas and then some Greek yogurt so that they are getting some good protein, and it's also just a yummy sweet treat. I also love to make more than we need so that I can freeze it and make popsicles. Then the kids have a yummy sweet treat for the next day. Lastly, we are having chicken kebabs on the grill for dinner. This has zucchini, peppers, mushrooms, and chicken that we have seasoned. And it is just such a yummy meal. The kids love eating them off of a stick. If I put this on a plate, they absolutely would not eat all the things, but because they're eating it off a stick, it's just way more fun. I love summertime. I love baking and cooking and all of the outdoor time that we get to have as a family. I love that the garden is growing abundantly. It looks like we are going to have a beautiful crop of pumpkins because that is basically all that we planted this year in addition to our flowers. It has been such a joy watching this backyard come to life. Thank you again for joining me on my channel, and I hope that this inspires you in how to feed your family, just getting a glimpse in what we eat in a day. And I hope that you have a wonderful day.